This is confused, I am confused. Tying the noose, how do we lose? Tying the noose, fucking figure it out. Yes, I am the news, yeah. I'm waking up on the lately. I am so gone, so faded on the lately, yeah. I put the needle right in. I'm feeling back to myself, zipping right in, yeah. But I know that I'm losing this war. It's getting steady, I'm getting on my pouring right inside. Every time I wake up, it's a fight inside. And I need to calm down, I feel it right now. It's the raindrops as they fall down. I need to end now, I'm tying it up. I am gone, fuck it.
Looks like rain today. Crackled on the speaker. Trickle down the sleepy subway train. Looks like rain today. Crackled on the speaker. Trickle down the sleepy subway train.
Yeah, what the fuck it is? What's the business and how we get? And then I hear what the fuck she say. Yeah, right, gone away. And I was broke to my knees, lost, no talking, can't even grieve. How the fuck to start? How we get here? Yeah, I know it all. Yeah, the needle is evil. He digs it deeper and it's evil. It'll get you and it's stuck too. Yeah, his mind and it got him like glue. Yeah, and he over right there. So we got him to get a chair. Tie it up, it's right there. Get closer.
Looks like rain today. Crackled on the speaker. Trickle down the sleepy subway train. Looks like rain today. Crackled on the speaker. Trickle down the sleepy subway train.
I am confused, this is confused. Tying the noose, why do we do the things that we do? Decide ready to fucking lose. Hey, I don't get this now. Yes, your brain is figuring it out. Until it's not, until it drops. Until your body drop, figure it apart. Yeah, your pride is the end of a knot. I don't get it, shit, fuck it, I can't figure it out. Yeah, so I'm sitting here, buried in this booth, and I'm just stating why I can't get to you. Yeah, but you getting to me. Yeah, you stuck to my feelings, yeah, you stuck it to me. Yeah, fuck that, I will ride with you till the fucking end. Yeah, I can't choose.
Looks like rain today. Crackled on the speaker. Trickle down the sleepy subway train. Looks like rain today. Crackled on the speaker. Trickle down the sleepy subway train.
Yeah, fuck it, to the Lord I pray. To the Lord I pray, take it away. Take my friend and take the pain. Take it all, take it away.